Hi, EDU 5111 students, Dr. Branch here. I wanted to show you around a little bit in our Moodle class. I know some of you may have already taken a class at Baker University, and for some of you, this is your first one. You may or may not be familiar with Moodle. So I just wanted to show you around a little bit. So you'll notice up here, there's some good information. This is our Zoom meeting information, the meeting ID and where you go. Our first meeting is this Thursday at 6 o'clock, and it is optional. All the Zoom meetings are optional, but it's more of a meet and greet. So if you wanted to come and see your fellow classmates, and if you bring any questions that you have. Here you will have we have the announcements, and this is where I will post things a couple times a week. Down here you have the syllabus, so take some time to go through that and see if you have any questions. You may have been told about task stream. That's not something that we need to worry about in this class until the last week, where you will submit 2 of your assignments. But there, if you click that, there's some information about that. The next one is Ask Michelle. This is where you would post a question that you think would be good for the entire class. Of course, you can always email me too privately if you have a question. We'll be writing 3 papers in this class. And so we just have a little presentation. There's no grade to it, just a little presentation about why all the fuss about writing. And then here we have the helpful tools, and this is just the catalog program handbook there's a link here for your easy access. Okay, so let's go down here to week 1. So the classes only show up 1 week at a time. I cannot open classes or weeks early, so we'll just do 1 week at a time. So this week, you have this document here. If you open that up, kind of just goes over like an overview of what we're doing for the week. So that may be helpful to you. Let's get back to the class. Okay. And the next thing that you'll see, so in each week, you'll see resource documents. These are really, really important because a lot of your assignments are attached to some of the things that you see under the resource documents. So you'll definitely want to refer back here for the things that you'll need to, like the rubrics and some of the things that you need to complete the assignment. So you'll have that. And then if you notice down here, these are your assignments. So you'll just click through each of those and complete them. So you have just an orientation quiz, and then a lot of you probably have used Flipgrid before. So that's kind of a fun way for us to get to know each other. And then you have week 1 readings. I'm very excited for you guys to read the Payne and Walls reading. I read Ruby Payne many, many years ago when it first came out, and really transformed the way that I taught and the relationship with my students. So some of you may be familiar with it or even have read parts of it. So, but maybe we can look at it through fresh eyes. And then also it ties in so well with the Glass Castle. So really excited for you to read that. We are going to go through some grammar refreshers as they pertain to strengthening our writing. You have a Payne presentation. And this week we're actually going to get started on our first paper. Some of you may have been out of the classroom yourself for a long time. Others may have just graduated a couple of years ago with your undergrad. So we're all coming to the class with different experiences and different you may have been out for a while of school. So, and then we have a writing process reflection, and then so you have an individual writing plan that you'll do this week. And what will be neat is during the last week, the 7th week, you'll actually come back to this to see if you've met your goals. So I think that is it for this week. Please contact me any time you have any questions. I've given you my personal cell phone number. If you text me, just, tell me who you are so I know who I'm corresponding with. Email's always really good. So just, I'm here for you at any time to help support you. And I look forward to seeing some of you on Thursday.